San Diego 6 News in the morning. Your station for balanced news.
Well, for a lot of us that don't know a lot about cars, we'll ask, what is the price to get a repair done? But we don't often ask about the cost. Maybe we feel intimidated to do so. But our auto man is here to tell us which questions to ask to get us more informed. Brian Bowersock of West Escondido Auto joins us for this Halloween version of the show, dressing up as the auto man. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Very creative costume. Okay. So, basic difference, cost versus price.
Difference of cost versus price. Price is what a lot of folks will ask because they don't know what else to ask when they have a problem with their vehicle. The price is what's quoted to you to do something or fix something on the car. The cost is the end result. And the way we get to the end result is if you end up at a facility that doesn't fix your vehicle properly, the towing added in, the cost of a rental car, time off work, things like that all go into the end result, which is cost. So the main thing is not the price of the repair, but finding a quality place to repair your vehicle so it's done right the first time.
You think it's smart to ask in terms of cost versus price, in terms of, okay, this is how much the labor's going to be at one place, shop it around with other places, see if somebody's ripping you off?
Well, you can kind of check around, but what you need to do is check apples for apples, and that's a quality facility for another quality facility. Some of the things you really need to ask in the beginning is, do you hire certified technicians? Is this a AAA approved repair facility? Do you have a drug-free work program? You know, are you guys qualified to fix this? What are the quality of the parts that you use when repairing a vehicle? Those right there are the key indicators for whether or not you're going to get a quality repair fixed right the first time, or you're going to end up in the cost factor where you have to go back several times, the vehicle's not fixed right, or you may have to take it to another facility, time off work, etc.
Is there anything you can do in that situation where you were given one sort of quote and then it ends up costing so much more? Is there anything that you can do where maybe you don't have to pay that, or some sort of negotiation or anything like that?
Well, you could, but like I said, my main suggestion is you find a quality repair facility. Somebody that's going to fix your vehicle right the first time, do it with quality parts and things like that, and that gets rid of that cost factor. All you're dealing with is the price. So the questions that you should ask are, like we went over, as far as, you know, is this a AAA approved repair facility? Do you hire qualified technicians, certified technicians? Is it a drug-free work environment? Those things there will keep your costs down. So when your vehicle gets in, it's repaired properly. And you can compare one service facility to another as far as with those key factors, and you're dealing just with the price and not the cost.
Are there other red flags that we should look out for? Anything that you've brought, any sort of red flags that we should see?
I just brought some parts, for example, you know, parts that often OEM parts are used by quality facilities, not after a lot of aftermarket parts. There are some good aftermarket parts, but a quality facility knows where they can take care of their customer, cut a little bit of cost for them, and still get the same result as a factory part.
And perfect. And of course, the quality facility, West Escondido Auto. That's where you can find Brian. You can ask him questions on our website. Drop him a line there. He's got a section of our website. Happy Halloween to you, sir.
Same to you.
And for more information on how you can get a hold of Brian, go to san diego6.com. Just click on Hot Topics.